you've got a new ukulele, you need to tune it. I'm going to show you how. Look at my new ukulele, it's beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to learn how to play ukulele. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So normally in school, a student would have a new ukulele. They'd bring it to me first thing in the morning. In my room, I'd unpack it. I'd do this initial tune, which I'm going to show you shortly, and I'd keep tuning it then throughout the day. 4 or 5 hours later, they'll come and collect it, and it just means they can carry on tuning it then with a clip-on tuner, because a new ukulele can easily take a few weeks to settle in sometimes. All right, certainly days, but if it's near enough in tune, you can use a clip-on tuner. If it's really out of tune, a clip-on tuner often won't pick up the right notes, especially if it's on a ukulele setting or doesn't have any other settings, it's just for a ukulele. Right, let's crack on, because I know you want to be able to play your brand new ukulele. So what I've done, I have set up some tuning notes on my computer behind each string, and I'm going to show you how to tune to those, and then I'll put them at the end of this video as well. All right, so you can go over it and over it and over it if it takes you a little bit longer to tune your new ukulele. All right, so we're going to start with the closest string to your chin, which is a G string. If you're not sure, you run your finger along each string to the peg, and you'll know then which peg that string is connected to. All right, so we're going to start with the G string, the one closest to your chin. So all I've done is recorded an in-tune ukulele into this, and it's just going to keep playing round now till each string is in tune. This is a bit a lot of people don't show in the videos, especially when it comes to tuning. Okay, so G string to start with. I'm listening to that note and I'm trying to get it as close as I can. I'm getting closer to it, so I'm slowing down. Now, I've been tuning instruments for 40 odd years, so I'm pretty good at tuning by ear. This could well take you a few minutes to do, which is why I'm going to put them at the end of the video as well. Okay, so there's quite a lot of tuning with that. Let's move on to the C string. Now, all I want us to do at the minute is to get close enough, all right, to be able to use a clip-on tuner. So if you're not, really thinking, oh, I'm not sure if that's in tune or not, don't panic. The main thing is you get close enough. So C string next. So quite a lot of turning. Getting closer. Okay, but again, you're only getting it close enough so you can then use your clip-on tuner, which I'll show you once we've done all the strings. So we'll do the E string next, so that's going to be 1 to the 3rd string away from our chin. All right, again, if you're not sure, run your finger along the string to work out which peg you're turning. All right, it's no good frantically turning a peg only to discover that you're plucking a different string. So the E string next. that's close enough for now for me to check it with the clip-on tuner in a moment. And the last string, our A string, so it's the furthest one away from your chin. All right, so it's going to be this peg. Slowing down as I get closer. So now hopefully my new uke is close enough in tune, and we'll use a clip-on tuner just to fine tune it a little bit. Now, as I said, sometimes it can take days, even weeks, for a new ukulele to settle down with its tuning, okay? So don't be surprised if it's already gone out of tune by the time you go to redo each string, okay? But this is where the clip-on tuners are very handy. So let's take a little look at our clip-on tuner now. So now I've got my clip-on tuner all ready. All right, it's on the ukulele setting. If you've never used one before, some of them have different settings. All right, you can see at the bottom, it's V, C, and so on. And I'm getting back to my U. Let me just double check. Yes. So we're on the U for ukulele. All right, we can do the same again. Go back to our G string, the closest one to our chin. Make sure you know which peg you're turning. All right, now you can see I've been tuning instruments, as I said, for over 40 years. All right, and I'm now doing the fine tuning. When it goes green, I know it's in tune. And I'll do exactly the same with all the 4 strings. So the C string. All right, so we're making sure now it's, there we go. Same with our E string. And our A string. Okay? Nobody is expecting you just to be able to tune a brand new ukulele by ear. All right? It's the combination of that initial getting it close enough to be able to tune it with a clip-on tuner, or if you don't have a clip-on tuner and you've got a mobile phone, download a tuning app. Same principle, all right? The tuning apps are the same. If it's close enough, they work brilliantly. If it's a very, very out of tune new ukulele, they're not so good. That's better. Okay, I do hope this has helped. As I say, it's different when you're tuning a brand new ukulele. What I'll do in a moment is I will play those loops of the strings playing round and round again at the end of this video for a few minutes, so you can then go back and forth. I will also mark them in the timestamps, so if it takes you longer than the minute or so they're going to run for to tune it, don't panic, all right? You just go back to that little bit of the video and do it again. But you should only have to do this big tune-up for the first time. After that, you get to use the wonderful clip-on tuners or a phone app. So there we go. If you've got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on useful information for ukuleles.